Hey guys, welcome to my what I eat in a day / my daily routine. This is me on a good day when everything goes to plan. I'm mostly focused on eating. I'm just showing you guys what my body looks like at the moment. I do weigh myself once a week, but that's neither here nor there. I'm wearing Gymshark leggings and a Nike Pro gym bra. It's my favorite one. So before I go to the gym, I do have a coffee. I always make an iced coffee. It's my drug and it gives me energy, and that's what I like. So I'm using some vanilla, the Kenko coffee beans, and 2 teaspoons of maple syrup. Then I just go in with boiling water. And then I add my ice cubes in, and I use Oatly. I'm sorry that it's out of focus. I did not notice, but that is what I have before I go to the gym. I normally time it so that it's like 30 minutes before, and then I'm just gonna put on these busted trainers. Don't buy them, guys. Like, I just have them, but I wouldn't really recommend. They're really good for beginners though, but yeah. I'm now going to the gym. I just take my little AirPods and my water of the day. This is just one I had at home, but you can see in the back I also have my glass bottle. And then I'm just gonna head to do my run. Today I literally only ran. I'm in a new phase of exercise now where I just run at the gym. And then I will go back to weight training when I'm happy with the weight I'm on. Cue my dance break. I was listening to Pop Smoke. And now we're going to have breakfast. It's really important to get your protein in when you get back from the gym to help with muscle repair. So I just have 2 fried eggs, and a lot of the Asian creators I watch, when they fry eggs, they use water to give the egg like a really crispy outside. So that's what I do with my fried eggs, and I love when my eggs are crispy on the outside and runny on the inside. So I'm adding water here, as you guys can see, and it's like bubbling away. And I end up flipping my egg, and then, like I said before, I just love when it's crispy and like cooked on the outside and just so runny on the inside. Like, I love the way that Asians make eggs, even when they're like super runny on top. It's just a vibe. So this is me flipping my egg, putting some water around so that the outside can get nice and crispy, and you have to take this off the heat pretty soon if you want your egg to be runny in the middle. If you like your eggs well done, then go for it. That's my breakfast. I've got my cinnamon and raisin bagels. I love them. I eat them all the time. And now I just have my little breakfast, and then at this time I normally sort of plan what I'm going to film today, what content I need to do I need to do any ads, etc, etc. And if you see my finger, it's because I slammed my hand in a car door when I went to a party. So don't drink, kids. I'm letting you enjoy this ASMR. I shower with the Dermalogica cleansing gel. I actually really like this for my body care, in fact, and I'm using the Youth to the People kale and green tea face wash, and that's my day-to-day. This is me squeaky clean coming out the shower, and I use the CeraVe salicylic acid smoothing cream as my moisturizer. This is me just getting dressed, looking a little tired, and then I go and do my work for the day, and then I cook my dinner, which is ginger, garlic, cherry tomatoes, tender stem broccoli, and some red onion, and I literally just stir fry that for about 5 minutes or so. Then I add in some kale. I was just trying to get rid of all the veg in my fridge, so that's why I had this random assortment of vegetables, but it actually tasted pretty good, so I'm not mad at it at all. You can adjust the portion size to however much you want to eat. And I had meal prep chicken thighs in the fridge, so I just had 2 of my chicken thighs. I've only shown 1 here, but the other one was in the microwave. So I had 2 chicken thighs and my warm salad, and that was my dinner. Then I was like, oh, I'm kind of hungry, So I googled a recipe for healthy cookies and I got these like apple cinnamony cookies come up, so I definitely made them. I have a Pink Lady apple at home. I don't think you're meant to use these, but it came out really nicely, so I would do this again for sure. So I'm just using butter, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, rolled oats, mixed spice, cinnamon. I also added is that everything? I think that's everything, but I went ahead and added like pistachio nuts to mine just because I wanted like a bit of crunch, but you can totally do this recipe without it. So as you guys can see, I've got my grated apple and my cinnamon and maple syrup going in my saucepan, and I mix that into the dry ingredients. I will link the recipe down below for you guys. I mix that into my dry ingredients and I add 1 egg, and then you're going to essentially just mix it really well. And this is me, you know, getting my wrist action on. I added literally a cupful of vanilla just to loosen the mixture a little bit as well. So here I am just, you know, putting them out. Make sure to space them apart. And I also actually ended up swapping to a larger baking tray because I made like 9, I think. But these literally were done in about 15 to 18 minutes. And here they are. They tasted so good and they were low calorie and it was just a vibe. Didn't need any sugar. So thumbs up from me. And that is my daily routine.